For this video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit or add a sidebar in WordPress. So as you can see here on my screen, you'll be able to notice that the theme that I am currently using for my website does not have a sidebar as default. So I'm going to show you how I can edit that or how I can add sidebar in my website. So first, what I need to do is to go to the dashboard in WordPress. And from the dashboard of WordPress, just go to the editing section or pages section, I'm sorry. Just locate the pages section from the left side bar of your screen. And in here, just choose the page that you or where you want to add a sidebar to. So in the editing page, you just need to go to the editing section for your theme. And the theme that I'm currently using for my website is Astra. So I can locate or access the editing page of my theme by going on or by clicking onto this logo on the upper right part of my screen. So I'm just going to do that. And on the bottom part section right here, I'll be able to see different elements or different sections. So I have container, sidebar, disable elements, and advanced settings. So I'm going to the sidebar section. As you can see, the default setting here is the no sidebar option. So what I'll need to do then is to pick from the options where there's a sidebar. So I'm going with the right sidebar. And as you can see, that created a space for a sidebar in my website. So then I'll just need to go ahead and click on update. And by the way, you'll have an option right here for the style of your sidebar. So you have the default, the unboxed, and the boxed. So I'm going with the box section. So I'm going to click update. After that, you'll just need to click onto the view page, and then now let us check. So as you can see, I already have a sidebar section on my web page. So now I am going to teach you how you can edit the contents of it. So you actually have two methods on how you can do that. So for the first method, what you need to do is to go back to the dashboard of your WordPress, and from here, you need to go to your appearance and click on widgets. So if you're using widgets as way of adding elements to your sidebar, you can edit the contents on the section right here. So as you can see, I already have the contents of my current sidebar right here. So I have the search element and my socials. So then what you can do here is to add different menus. So by the way, you can edit your menus or add menus by clicking onto the section right here. And it is also under appearance. So under appearance, go to the menu section. So for mine, I have the socials, right? So I have this one. So then I'm going to teach you how you can also do that. So I'm going to create a new menu. I'm just going to name it as sample sidebar. There you go. And then I'm going to save or create the menu. So after creating your menu, you can add your menu items. So from the section right here, you need to check on the elements or the items that you want to add. So I've already created these elements right here prior to this tutorial. So I'm going to add about contacts and services. So I'm going to add that to my menu. And then on this section right here, you can add or you can go ahead and edit the navigation level. So I'm not going to do that right now. And then once you have created all of your elements or once you've added all of your items, you just need to save it. So then let's go back to the widget section. So I'm going to back. And then now once you're in here, just need to click block and then search navigation menu. There you go. And then select the menu. I'm going to click or to select sample sidebar. And once you click outside the block, then you'll be able to see a preview of it. So if you're already satisfied with what you have, you then now just need to click onto the update button, which should be located on the upper right part of your screen also. So I'm going to click on it. And let us see again if the page or the services page is updated. So there you go. As you can see on the section right here, the elements that we have added earlier are already visible on the page. Now for the second method, you'll need to go to the customizing page. So you can access that by clicking on to this section right here with the brush icon. It should be located on the upper part of your screen. Once you are in here, you'll need to locate the sidebar section from the left side corner or left side pane of your screen. Go to the sidebar and you'll be able to see the same setting feature that we saw earlier on this video. So we're going to the right sidebar also. And then on this section, you can also choose whether you want a unboxed style or boxed. And on this one, you can choose or you can edit the width of your sidebar. So just need to slide this from left to right. If you want a thinner sidebar, you just need to slide to the left, and then if you want a wider sidebar, just slide to your right. So I'm just going to stick with 28, and if you're dissatisfied with that, let us now try to edit your widgets also. So you need to do is to click onto this pencil icon, which is located on the upper left corner of your widget, and then you'll be able to see this on the left side of your screen. And this is where you can add or edit or delete a widget if you want to. So I'm going to delete all of this, and then I'm going to show you how you can add it back again. So I'm going to delete all of this. So I'm going to select and then this, delete them. Just going to do that on this the same option also, or the same widget. So now once you have, or for example you have a blank sidebar on your website, you'll just need to click onto this plus icon right here or click this section, and going to go with the search bar, search, sorry, click that, and then that will appear on my sidebar, and then I'm going to add another one by clicking onto this plus icon right here. So going with the navigation menu, add that, and then I'm going to select my socials, and then going to add again navigation menu, going to add the sample menu that we have created earlier. So then once you've clicked outside the block, you'll then be able to see previews of those sections. So going to select this one again, going with the socials. So then there you go. So the same elements are added already on my sidebar. So once you are satisfied with what you have, and by the way, you can add different elements again if you want to do that, but I'm going to stick with what I have in my sidebar right now. So once you've done that, just hit this publish button, and you can add or you can choose different actions if you want to. So you can publish it. If you want to, you can save it as draft or schedule the publish of your page by clicking onto this one. But if you want to discard your changes, just click on to this option right here. So once you have clicked the publish, then the changes will be added or will be applied to your website. So let us try to check again on my website if the changes are applied. So I'm going back again, going to select this one and go to my services pages. So that's it. There you go. I have the same elements on my sidebar. So that's it for this video. That is how you can add and edit a sidebar using WordPress. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.